lunch for Priscilla, we have half of a Hot Pocket, some boiled eggs, and cheese string. Priscilla, come on. We took a field trip to IKEA to look for bunk beds and a desk for Olivia. We stopped at the cafe. Emma wanted some cake, so we are trying out the cake. Here we are just waiting in line to get our food. I'm actually gonna have the meatball. I love the meatball, the Italian meatball here. And then I'm getting chicken tenders for the kids with fries. And then Emma is having mashed potato. The food is so delicious here. And here's my plate. Yummy. Eat. Use your hand. Do you want mac and cheese, Priscilla?
Yeah.
Look what Herbie got. Huh?
I almost chased myself.
What was that? Daddy? Daddy, come. So not so. Let me see. This girl wants to go in there. Stop, let her go in there first. These girls on back her. I'll push from this side. Oh, do you need one of these? Oh, Emma, what are you doing in there? Ew.
Another turn.
Oh yeah, down.
Sika, hello. Zoom out. Zoom out. Look at the
My favorite part of the chicken is the back of the chicken and also the chicken leg. Every time I eat boiled chicken, I always grab these two pieces. And here's Preston.